Hey, what's up guys? Long time no see, finally a new video. And today is very good news because we are going to show you an amazing tool to rank your products on Etsy. So, I think a site like Etsy needs no explanation. Millions of people know it and use it both to buy and sell their unique products. For the seller, the sales volume on Etsy depends on many factors. This is the quality of the goods, beautiful photos, description, price and delivery terms, and much more. But one thing remains the same: your product must be widely visible. The more it is viewed, the more often you will receive orders. So, suppose your product is of good quality, has beautiful, bright photos, a competitive market price, a good description. Now we need to make it so that your potential buyers, when searching for a product in your niche, can see your product above the competition. Userion will help us with this. Let's go to the Userion website, register and log into your account. There are many tools here, but what we need is Etsy ranking in the marketplaces section. The service works as follows: you set a task for ranking, specifying keywords and a link to the product, and Userion will do the rest automatically. Cool, right? So, first you need to decide on keywords. To do this, you can go to Etsy and see what tips exist. Let's start writing in the search for leather wallet. We immediately see a lot of suggestions that will help us find keywords. Now we need to get a link to our product, which we will rank. Just go to your product page and copy the direct link to it. It is important that your link must contain the word listing and the identification number of the product. The rest Userion will remove himself. Next, go to Userion, click New Task, insert a link to our product. In the Keywords field, specify the keywords we need, each on a new line. A separate task with its own settings will be created for each keyword. Then there is a very important point. This is the extra word. It will be required if your product is not visible in the search for the main keyword. In this case, an extra word will be added to your keyword. We recommend using part of the title of your product as an extra word. Let's take with snap, for example. That is, you have the keyword leather wallet, but your product is not visible among the first 5 pages in the search. Then Userion will add the extra word with snap, and the phrase leather wallet with snap will be obtained, according to which your product will already be visible in the search. On the next run, Userion will again search for your product using the keyword leather wallet. This will make your product visible for the main keywords, if it was not previously visible, and further raise it in the search. That's it. Click the Add button. After some time, your task will start automatically. Each task has a number of runs per day. The more runs you enter, the faster your product will rise in the search. Do not put too high a number per task, for example, more than 20 to 30 runs per day per task. It will be unnatural and suspicious. It is better to put more tasks with different keywords, giving each keyword 5 to 10 runs per day. By clicking on the task, you will be taken to the statistics page, where you can track the positions of your product. It is important to note that there is a lot of advertising in the search results, so the positions of your product will take into account advertising. That is, for example, the first 4 products in the search results are advertising, which means that your product located in 5th place will actually be in 1st place, and the product in 24th place will actually be in 16th place. What do the positions with an asterisk and position 0 mean? An asterisk next to the position rank number means that your product was only found using an extra word. You need to continue ranking. Soon your product will become visible in the search without an extra word. 0 means that your product was not found. 0 with an asterisk means that your product was not found even after adding an extra word. You need to check the extra word and replace it with a more relevant one for your product. You should also check the product link. You may have made a mistake in the link and your product cannot be found. If your product is not found, the cost of this run will be 8 cents credits, which is several times lower than the cost of a regular run, and is implemented to protect against cases where a user puts a broken link and enters 500 runs per day, which will negatively affect the tasks of other users. Once your product achieves the desired result in the positions, you can reduce the number of runs to 1 to 3 per day to maintain the positions. Ranking speed is highly dependent on keyword competition, current sales of your product, reviews, so on, and it can be from 5 to 6 days to 15 to 20 days. You can find the price of one run on the prices page. I hope you are interested in our new ranking tool. You can ask all your questions in the comments and by email in your personal account. We wish you great results and excellent sales.